Hey everyone, so I'm just here with some of our rescue dogs. This one is a very miraculous dog actually. She was shot by the police and the bullet passed straight through her back end. And let's see if I can get that so you can see. Oh, where's your scar, Lucky? It's healing up now, so yeah, the bullet, this is where it left her body. So she was shot. Anyway, the police sometimes here they're allowed to shoot dogs for rabies, but on this occasion it seemed they were shooting indiscriminately, which can happen. So Lucky came to us after being shot, and when I was looking for her I found these puppies. So this is why this is miraculous. Lucky is not the mother of these puppies, but because she was in the kennel next to them, she has started producing milk for them. So Lucky is now providing milk for these two puppies as if they were her own. It's just, and I've been like mesmerised by the whole thing. I've spoken to the vet and they said on rare occasions it can happen, like a phantom pregnancy, but she's quite happy to produce milk and be their wet nurse, as you would say in the UK, or their surrogate mother. So what was a malnourished dog who had been shot and was on death's door is now quite happy to be the adoptive mother of these two puppies, and she's actually providing milk for them. So I just wanted to do a little tiny video about that because I just think that's I think it's mind-blowing. I think it's amazing as well. So, okay, amazing little dog, Lucky. And her two adopted children. Things in my life in Tanzania, the stuff we do, it never fails to amaze me every week, something new happening. So it's just a short video about that anyway. Okay, bye everyone. I never felt so free, it's just my dog and me.